Are you tired of searching for the perfect foldable electric bike, only to be overwhelmed by endless options and conflicting reviews? In this video, we dive deep into the features that matter most and reveal the top 5 best foldable electric bikes of 2024. We've meticulously tested numerous models to bring you the very best on the market. Stay tuned as we break down key features and considerations to help you make an informed decision. Whether it's portability, battery life, or overall performance, we've got you covered. Let's get right into it. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. Hipeak Elias. The Hipeak electric bike is designed for adult riders seeking convenience and performance. Featuring a sturdy yet lightweight frame made from aviation aluminum alloy, this bike ensures durability and resistance to corrosion. The frame's integrated welding provides additional strength, making it reliable for long-distance rides without concerns about deformation or damage from bumps. Equipped with a 48-volt 15-ampere-hour high-capacity lithium battery, this offers an impressive pure electric range of up to 35 miles and a pedal assist range of up to 60 miles. This makes it ideal for extended rides through parks, nature reserves, and scenic areas. The bike has also passed UL 2849 certification, ensuring it meets safety standards. The Hipeak electric bike is highly versatile, with a 7-speed transmission and 20-inch all-terrain fat tires. These tires are made from durable, puncture-resistant materials, providing a strong grip and reliability across various terrains, including city streets, gravel, sand, and even snow-covered paths. The front suspension system enhances the riding experience by absorbing shocks from rough roads, offering a smoother and more comfortable ride. One of the standout features of this bike is its easy 3-step folding design, allowing for convenient storage and transportation. Weighing just 62 pounds when folded, it can easily fit into cars, SUVs, and RVs, making it perfect for spontaneous trips. The bike also includes practical features like water resistance, a rechargeable battery, adjustability, and an LCD display, all of which contribute to its appeal as a versatile and user-friendly electric bike. In conclusion, the Hipeak electric bike offers a blend of durability, performance, and convenience, making it an ideal choice for adults seeking versatile, all-terrain riding with easy portability and impressive battery life. Number 4. Gotrax NEPHELE. The Gotrax NEPHELE electric bike is designed for urban commuters and leisure riders alike. With a 350-watt brushless motor, this e-bike achieves a maximum speed of 15.5 miles per hour. Its 16-inch tires and high-strength steel frame ensure durability and stability. The bike features a 280.8 watt-hour removable battery, allowing for a range of 15.5 miles in pure electric mode and over 25 miles in pedal assist mode. The battery charges in just 5.5 hours, with an option to carry a spare battery for extended travel. Safety and comfort are prioritized with the NEPHELE e-bike, which includes dual disc brakes and a front shock-absorbing fork. The adjustable handlebars and seat cater to riders of varying heights, 155 to 190 centimeters, ensuring a comfortable ride. A rear cargo rack provides additional storage, making it suitable for daily commuting or longer journeys. It offers 3 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and standard bike mode, allowing riders to choose their preferred level of assistance. The foldable design of the bike enhances its portability, making it easy to store in small spaces or transport in a vehicle. Assembly of this e-bike is straightforward, with most of the work already completed. The package includes all necessary tools and a clear instruction manual. Gotrax also offers a 365-day warranty and customer support to address any issues that may arise. Overall, the Gotrax NEPHELE is a versatile and convenient option for those seeking an electric bike for commuting, exercise, or leisure, offering a balance of performance, safety, and comfort. Number 3. Ridstar Foldable Electric Bike. The Ridstar foldable electric bike is a versatile option designed for various riding styles, including mountain biking, city commuting, and beach cruising. With a powerful 1,000-watt motor and a 48-volt 15-ampere-hour removable battery, this bike offers an impressive speed of up to 30 miles per hour. The battery fully charges in 4 to 6 hours, making it a practical choice for daily commutes or leisurely rides around town. Built with a 20-inch fat tire and a dual suspension system, the Ridstar electric bike provides stability and comfort on a wide range of terrains. The lockable and adjustable front and rear shock absorbers further enhance the riding experience, ensuring a smooth journey even on rough paths. Additionally, the dual disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, while the 7-speed gear system allows for easy adjustments in speed and torque, catering to different riding needs. The bike is constructed from high-quality 6061 aluminum alloy, which not only makes it durable, but also foldable for convenient storage. It comes with a multifunction LCD display, a high-brightness front headlight, and is 90% pre-assembled, simplifying the setup process. Included in the package are essential components such as a charger, toolkits, an LCD smart display, a headlight, a taillight, a rear seat, full fenders, and a phone holder with a USB charging port. Weighing 30 kilograms, this bike is designed with portability and ease of use in mind. All in all, the Ridstar foldable electric bike is an excellent option for those looking for a reliable, multifunctional, and powerful e-bike. Number 2, Luckeep X1. The Luckeep X1 Lite is a versatile electric bike designed for a range of riding environments, including city commuting, off-road trails, beach cruising, and mountain biking. Featuring a robust 1200-watt peak brushless motor, this e-bike provides powerful assistance, reaching speeds up to 28 miles per hour and delivering 80 Newton-meter of torque. It is supported by a 48 volts 15 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, which offers a substantial range of up to 60 miles on pedal assist mode. The battery is equipped with a battery management system that ensures safety and extends the battery's lifespan with a quick 5 to 6 hour charge time. The Luckeep X1 Lite features a front suspension, a 7-speed gear system, and 20-inch fat tires, ideal for sand, snow, and mountains. Its 60/61 aluminum frame offers sleek geometry and foldability for convenience. With multiple riding modes, 5 assistance levels, and an anti-theft alarm with a keyless remote, it ensures versatility and security. Additional features include dual mechanical disc brakes for reliable stopping power, a high-strength carbon steel front fork with rebound and lock functions for improved ride comfort, and an LCD intelligent display for monitoring ride metrics. The bike comes with a range of accessories including a charger, toolkits, user manual, IPS smart display, headlight, turn lights, rear seat, full fenders, phone holder, and a USB charger. Overall, the Luckeep X1 Lite combines power, versatility, and convenience, making it a strong choice for diverse riding needs. Its robust features, including a powerful motor and long-range battery, ensure a dependable and enjoyable ride. Number 1. NARRAK Fat Tire. The NARRAK electric folding fat tire bike is a versatile option for adults seeking a reliable and powerful ride for various terrains. With a 20-inch wheel size and a robust aluminum frame, this folding bike offers both durability and convenience, making it suitable for trail riding, camping, and other outdoor adventures. The bike's foldable design allows for easy storage and transportation, making it an ideal choice for those who want to take their bike on the go. Equipped with a powerful 750-watt motor peaking at 1100 watts and a high-capacity 48 volts 13 ampere-hour lithium battery, the NARRAK electric bike delivers impressive performance, reaching speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. Its fat tires and front suspension ensure a smooth ride over diverse terrains, including hills, gravel roads, and trails. The bike also features a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, enhancing its adaptability to various riding conditions. Safety is a priority with this e-bike, which includes dual 160mm disc brakes for superior stopping power, as well as integrated LED headlights and taillights for improved visibility. It offers 4 riding modes: walk mode, throttle mode, pedal assist mode, and regular bicycle mode, providing flexibility for different riding preferences. With a weight capacity of up to 280 pounds and included accessories such as a user manual, charger, and toolkit, this bike is designed to meet a wide range of needs. Overall, the NARRAK electric folding fat tire bike is a versatile and powerful option for adventurous riders, offering impressive performance, safety features, and convenient design for a seamless outdoor experience. In conclusion, each foldable electric bike reviewed offers distinct advantages tailored to various riding needs and preferences. The Hipeak Elias stands out for its durability and versatility, suitable for all-terrain adventures. The Gotrax NEPHELE excels in urban commuting with its compact design and balanced performance, while the Ridstar provides powerful functionality and comfort for diverse terrains. The Luckeep X1 Lite delivers exceptional power and range, making it a versatile choice for both urban and rugged environments. Lastly, the NARRAK Fat Tire bike combines robust power and safety features with a foldable design, ideal for off-road enthusiasts. Each bike caters to specific requirements, ensuring there's an option to match your riding style.